Hello everybody, I'm making this quick video because a viewer asked me if it's possible to use Blackmagic design video mixer, ATEM Mini, that is, the ATEM Mini video mixer, to create videos with PIP to pretend as if the camera is zooming in and out. So basically the size of the PIP, picture-in-picture, that is so enlarged, bigger than the actual 100% size of the video, like 150%, 200%, to actually kind of appear as if the camera is zooming in. And that is possible. I'm going to do it right now. Watch. You see me right now. I'm going to turn the PIP on, PIP off, on and off. And how do you do that? I'm going to show you that. And you can also actually, let me do dual picture. As you can see here, this is the PIP. See how my image on PIP, off PIP, and how this all these things happen. I will show you how it happens. Okay, so let's go to the interface of Blackmagic, and I'm gonna show that to you from the interface. Okay, so now you can see, you go right here in this place, you change these settings to you go to DVE and change these settings to adjust your PIP to your desired size. So now I'm going to turn on the PIP and watch. My image is not centered, it's a little bit to the right, to the left actually. So there, I'm gonna change it to the right, as you can see, and then with this I could go up and down, and this is the size, and this is the Y positioning. So watch how much more I can go. Right now the X and Y positioning is chain. You see this little the little chain picture of a little chain. This means if I increase this size, this will also increase, so I don't lose my aspect ratio, which is 16:9. If you don't do that, then you lose your aspect ratio. The picture or the image will be stretched. So now, as you can see, I'm at 200% size of the PIP, and as I turn off the PIP, I'm back to original size, like this. So this is how you can do PIP in Blackmagic software. I hope this video was helpful and you know how to do it. And if you have any questions, please comment and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.